international.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're joining me for the first time, thank you for watching. If you've been here before, thank you for coming back. Today's video is going to be a combination of a vlog and a video. Clicks had their Clickscurls event in Johannesburg on the 24th and 25th of March, so I managed to take a few clips. So this is going to be showing you what happened, what went down that day, and then also unpacking of the gift bag that they gave us. And let me tell you, the gift bag was good. So yeah, enjoy some of the clips and then stay tuned to see what they gave us for free, guys. Well, not for free, but for free, because those tickets, Clicks knows their stuff. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks. Hey guys, so we're at the Clickscurls event, guys. Everybody is looking gorgeous. I need to step my game up. And best of all is I'm getting to meet all these gurus that you see on social media. Let's just go around. And the goodie bag, guys, the goodie bag. Things that I probably would never buy by myself, but thank you, Clicks.
Yeah, oh my God, come cool.
Make sure you follow us.
Eating and home. Clickscurls.
So many products, guys.
Beautiful Bianca.
You know.
Look at that gorgeous head of hair. Gorgeous head of hair, guys. Right? Sure. So we're going around getting green thingamajiggies. What do you call these things? Green stickers. And if you get a green from each of them, you get a free sample. Like, how cool is that? On top of the goodie bag. And guys, everybody's makeup is just on fleek, so I am more motivated to make up. It's sort of a self-tone because I guess everybody's making hair products now. Hello, how are you? I'm good. How are you guys? I'm kind of vlogged. Self-tone guy.
Okay.
I know self-tone mostly for skin, because you guys know about the snail gel. The snail gel. Self-tone.
But now we have a new one.
Hairy.
I'm just saying I didn't know you guys ever had.
That's what I'm saying as well. They're known for the snail gel things. You guys have a sample, maybe?
And it's too small.
Guys, when we're talking about beautiful hair, look at this. Look at this. 360.
I guess one way they give me things I need. I guess one way they make me feel nice. She slow dance and if you leave, I'm guys. I guess one way one give me keys and leave. But my bed is final. We see baby baba now. My girl wear designer. Everything way I give.
Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed that clip. I'm still trying to get my hand around vlogging, so don't worry, the skills will improve. You saw this cute little bag that they gave us, full of things, so let's see what they've given us inside. But first, guys, this bag is heavy. It is heavy. So they didn't play around, so thank you, Clicks. Let's see what's inside. Okay, Mark Anthony coconut cream. I noticed during the event that a lot of the products have coconut in them. I already know my hair doesn't like coconut oil, doesn't like coconut milk, so I don't know about all these coconutty things, but it's nice that there's samples, because at least if I don't like them, then well, I don't have to commit. So first thing is Mark Anthony's True Professional Defrizzing Coconut Cream for defining and defrizzing. Product number 2. This is mixed texture hair care, Curly Kids Super Detangle Shampoo. Okay, sulfate and paraben free, so that's good. Developed for curly, kinky, coily, wavy and frizzy hair, so that is good. I do alternate my washing between bentonite clay and shampoo, so I'm looking forward to trying this out. Carol's Daughter Hair Milk and Cleansing Conditioner. I'm excited about this one because from following overseas YouTubers and vloggers and stuff, I've always heard about Carol's Daughter. So now that it's finally in South Africa, it's interesting. I'm going to be excited. It's going to be exciting trying this out. So Carol's Daughter Hair Milk. Woo! Cleansing Conditioner. I don't typically like to co-wash, but let's see. Yeah, there's a lot of testing that's going to need to be done. Dark and Lovely Au Naturel. I think they actually gave me 2 of these. Let's see. Yeah, 3-in-1 cleansing conditioner, no sulfate, recipe for rich natural hair. So that's nice. Pure Royale. This is a local brand. This is a scalp treatment. Anti-itching for dandruff, hair loss, itchy scalp, and root repair. Has a nice mentholy smell to it. Okay. The only thing with Pure Royale is I noticed with the natural hair collection, they made a point to write no mineral oil, no parabens, no this, no that. When you read the ingredient list, they mention those things in the ingredient list. I tried to ask the vendor there what was going on, but it's like he didn't understand my question. So anyway, my hair hasn't responded badly to products with mineral oil in them, but I mean, dishonest advertising, maybe? Who knows? But anyway, Pure Royal Scalp Treatment, we add that as well. This is from Saltone. You saw in the video there was a little bit skeptical. Well, not skeptical, but Saltone was known for anti-aging skin treatment and stuff, and then now suddenly they also have a hair care range. The snail logo thing is still on the box, so but no snail gel or things like that written on the thingy, on the box itself. So this is an advanced hair treatment with 7 luxurious oils for ethnic hair. Okay, so anyway, it's worth a shot. So since we're trying everything, there's no harm, no foul, right? It's still a lot. Oh wow, I got three of these thingamajigs. What are these? The 3-in-1 cleanser, yay! Aunt Jackie's Oh So Clean Moisturizing and Softening Shampoo. Also sulfate-free, paraben-free, no mineral oil, no petrolatum. Deep moisturizing and detangling hair bath for chronically dry hair. Whew! That is a lot to say for just shampoo, but people like Aunt Jackie, not Auntie, Aunt Jackie. So yeah. They also gave me this. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 2. So 10 small sachets of things. So curl whip. I can see a curling and twisting custard and different things. So we'll see how this goes. My hair is going to be so pampered it won't know what happened. Then this is Naughty. Okay. Shampoo and conditioner. I guess it's nice to have a sample, but I'm just imagining that the size of these samples is probably going to be enough for like 1/4 of my hair. So maybe it could be useful in a comparison video. But let me not knock it till I've tried it, okay? So Naughty, 97% natural. I wonder what's another 3%, but anyway. Yay. Palmer's. Is this what Palmer's gave me? Oh, Naughty also gave a leave-in conditioner, an intensive care leave-in conditioner, so that's good. Let me spread this out so you all can actually appreciate how big and how you all can appreciate how much Clicks did. Palmer's olive oil deep conditioner for frizz-prone hair. Again, no this, no that, no all of that stuff. So, yay. Sheer moisture. The Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. I've been seeing this. I've been anxious to try it out, but yeah, I just haven't gotten around to it, so I'm extremely happy to see this and to try it out. I'm excited. It has a nice nothingy smell, so let's see. So this is a leave-in conditioner, sheer moisture. Let's see. Mark Anthony also gave, what is this? A shea butter and marula oil deep moisturizing conditioning treatment. I feel like this is going to be very good on my hair. Again, the sachet is a little bit small, but let's see what we can do when wash day finally comes around. ORS had curls unleashed. Let's see. So this is a shea butter and mango leave-in conditioner, shea butter and honey curl defining cream. Okay. Can you see that it's a lot, guys? The bag is still not empty. Okay, Palmer's also gave a coconut oil deep conditioning protein pack, so thank you, Palmer's. Twisted Sister, these are also fairly new in South Africa. This is a 2-in-1 moisturizing conditioner, coconut, avocado and almond oil. So I don't typically use conditioner on my hair outside of a deep conditioner, but a lot of the things that I got were conditioners, so I'm going to have to see if these things that they've given me can win me over to conditioning. Can 2. Let's see, what did Can 2 give? Is it just this one? Okay, Can 2 gave an intensive repair deep treatment mask, so I think this should be nice as well. Guys, I know my description of everything is getting a bit repetitive, but yeah. My Natural Hair, this is a local brand, so they gave a hydrating conditioner, a deep conditioner, so that's good. And a strengthening oil, hair oil for natural and refined hair. Okay. Afro Botanics, this is also a local brand. This is a deep penetrating moisturizing conditioner. Amina deep penetrating moisturizing conditioner. Hask Monoi coconut oil. This is a nourishing conditioner. I was quite surprised to see these guys at the Clickscurls event because the way they're set up in the store, they are amongst the products that are typically used by our type 2, type 1 Caucasian people. So it was interesting to see that they also, or their product supposedly also caters for natural hair. I guess experimentation is going to be what answers whether or not it truly is for hair like 4C hair. Cable, they have a natural line as well. This is also local. Marula oil, this is a hair and scalp oil sealant and a scalp soothing and nourishing hairspray. Yeah. This is Afri True Curl Power Hydrating Gel. I guess for twist styles and all of these things. I don't typically use gel, but it's a sample, why not? Curls to go. Oh, this was from Jane Carter. Jane Carter Solution. They were giving away this little thingamajigs. So Untangle Me, so I guess this is a detangler. And then Twisted Sister also gave a leave-in conditioner. So 2 more. Design Essentials. This is an almond and avocado curl enhancing mousse. So it says saves up to 30 minutes styling time. I don't know how, but I'm excited about this because I do like curling my hair with a roller set. Roller set have not been working so well since I went natural, so I'm looking to see how I can get a good roller set. Okay, and then of course pamphlets. And the Clicks brochure and oh, Cosmopolitan. Okay, cool. I wouldn't buy it, but free magazines. But anyway, so look at all of this, guys. Look at all of this. Isn't this like they really did well, right? I'm not exaggerating. It's nice because I don't have to go shopping for natural hair products again, and a lot of these things I probably would not, let me be honest, I probably would not have bought myself because yeah, I probably wouldn't have. There's just so many things in the market, so it's nice to get to try this out. And of course, this makes for an excellent bag. Woo! Yeah, so basically this is my experience, or this is me from the Clickscurl event. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Were you guys there? Did you enjoy it? Let me know in the comment box down below. Anything in particular you are excited about and you would like me to try first, let me know also in the comment box down below. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the button. You're going to see a circle button with my face on it. Click that, or the red button down below. Leave a comment in this comment box. Like the video, not subscribe, we've said that already, share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.